Yes.
He's the F-18 pilot in that music video. Yeah, he's just incredible.
Now, one of the things you'll notice about the BT-13 is he is
very based on his experiences.
You'll notice that the gear is retracted.
Oh, they have 17-year-olds.
Of course, his call sign is Utah. He's not a Mormon, but his last name's Provo, so they called him Utah.
It has a wing.
No heat.
Look at the
No
bottom
heat.
of it.
We're leaving South Georgia,
Actually, a
flying to Vegas for red flag, and everybody's got to wait until.
Well, that would be 7 degrees below.
stall characteristics.
2 degrees per thousand.
It was about. It was a.
I
It's
thought
still
you-
cold. You gotta remember, we flew in July out of Georgia, South Georgia, and landed,
Pretty darn.
and it had troop
Not
seats.
too bad.
I'm at 7 degrees below the ground temperature.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, about 2 degrees per thousand.
But it was a interesting ride. I've been in 9 Nightingale, C5, Galaxy. What else? Oh, an
Here's
O2.
Geneseo. We are big
That's
on
a bizarre aircraft.
Here's our hometown hero right here before you. This
If I had it to do over again,
This aircraft is a combat
I regret
veteran.
that I did.
I spent 4 years.
Beautiful.
He's the real
plane.
deal.
I think I would have done it.
Participating in Normandy.
I mean, hindsight's 2020.
Extremely rare to have an airplane like that.
Any of the restoration
this.
companies.
It was just my time in the Air Force. I had a lot of fun times. He ended up in the Persian Gulf three times.
What?
The Persian Gulf.
Oh,
They were during various,
yeah.
And then
desert
kids, we
storm
have something
stuff.
for you coming up in just a couple of minutes.
And the second time, after being gone for 8 or 9 months, they did what they call a friends and
All right, kids, as we talked about a little earlier,
and they launched it
a couple
forward.
opportunities for you. Now, if
Carry
you're
her out.
within the
They
range of my
already hit
voice,
the
which I hope you are,
And
you can see them nearby
There's
the announcer's stand. Just wave on back. I see over there. Wave on back. All right, cool. If you got any
and
kids,
5 to
come
7,000
around the wet
guests.
area.
I see that twice.
I think they forgot where we